Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier workflows for no-code app backends, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Zaps section in your dashboard. In the Zaps section, you will see a list of existing workflows. To download a workflow, click on the specific Zap you want to export. On the Zap details page, look for the Share option. Click on the Share button to reveal the sharing settings. Choose the option to publish the Zap. You will see a link generated for the published Zap. Copy this link, as it will be used to access the workflow later. Next, open a new browser tab and paste the copied link into the address bar. Press Enter to access the published Zap. You'll be presented with the details of the workflow. To download the workflow, look for the Download or Export Zap option. Click on this option to initiate the download process. Select your preferred file format, if prompted. After making your selection, the file will begin downloading automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your device's designated Downloads folder. Now you can import this workflow into your no-code app backend. Open your no-code app platform where you want to upload the workflow. Look for an Import or Upload section in your app's interface. Click on the Import option and select the downloaded Zapier workflow file. Follow any on-screen instructions provided by your no-code app platform to complete the import. Once the import is successful, review the workflow configurations. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your app's requirements. Finally, test the imported workflow to ensure it operates as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.